Hi, I'm Mike Greiner. I'm a bankruptcy attorney with the Financial Law Group located here in Warren, Michigan, and I'm here to talk to you today about things you should not do if you're dealing with a heavy debt load. One thing you definitely should not do is borrow from your 401k to pay off credit cards. That's a huge mistake. Your 401k is your retirement. You cannot change that down the road. Those funds are there. Once they're gone, you can never do anything with them again. And what's more is those funds are completely protected from your creditors, whether you file bankruptcy or not. So if you go in and take funds out of your 401k to pay back creditors, that's the only way the creditors can get access to those funds. We need to change our way of thinking about 401ks and IRAs. They are not a bank account for us to go into and take funds out of when we need them. They're our retirement, and we need to treat it as such. That's the first thing you definitely should not do. Second thing you should not do is you should not borrow money from a family member to pay off your debts. Reason being that even if you find yourself ultimately that you're not able to deal with the debts and you end up having to file bankruptcy, I can imagine you're still going to want to pay back your relatives. So you'll be in a situation where you could have gotten rid of the debt, but then you're not able to get rid of the debt because of the fact that obviously you've got the personal relationship with your relatives. What's more is that say you've been making payments to your relatives over time prior to filing bankruptcy. If that's the case, then what's going to happen is the trustee who's appointed in your case might well end up suing your relative to get back those funds. So that's something that would be a very, very negative situation both for you and for your relative. One more thing that you definitely should not do if you're dealing with debts would be to borrow against your home to pay credit cards. Again, there we're transferring short-term debt, which is credit card debt, into long-term debt, which is essentially a mortgage debt. What we need to do is we need to kind of refocus our thinking. Again, the 401k should be for retirement. The home should be paying off the home. And relatives should be kept separate from your finances. If we're able to kind of change our way of thinking about that and stop mixing those things, then you can really make a much healthier decision about whether bankruptcy might be the thing for you to do. Before you make any of these mistakes, please give me a call. I can talk to you about some of your options. We offer free consultations. We're conveniently located in Warren on Hoover Road, just north of 696. Our phone number is 586-693-2000, and our website is financiallawgroup.com.